water, glue, a mixing bowl, and some measuring cups. The first step of making slime is adding 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. And then we mix. And also, I've been wondering where my friend Jimis is, but I haven't been seeing him around here. Once the borax has dissolved, has dissolved, add the glue. If you want, you can add food coloring if you want. Oh, there he is. There's a little Jimis. Once everything's mixed up, add your glue. Ooh. And also make sure to add all of it. Oh, this is weird. Show the camera. No, really. It's not glue anymore. What is it? Soon, when your glue starts clumping up, that's when you're gonna have to knead it. If you follow these steps, you'll have slime in no time. Jimis in the tub and these things. Come on. To make slime, you gotta use these ingredients. Some measuring cup. One teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of